So, hello everyone. This is our first unboxing of returns, and I have Michael here because he's just going to explain to me the process. So, what am I supposed to do?
So you first want to grab one of the bags and
Okay.
you want to open it from the back end.
The back side.
Yeah.
And why do we do that?
Well, you want to protect the label, so if there's anything bad with it, you can take pictures and then you can get our money back.
Okay. So this. Okay, so this looks like a. No, what do I do? It's like
Ice cream. You got an ice cream scooper right here. You can put that off to the side.
Okay,
And
so
then
for
this.
right now, maybe I'm gonna move this out of the way, just
Yeah.
here, so we can do it that way. Okay.
So we have ice cream scooper. Want to double check. I don't know. You want to double check to make sure there's no stains or rips or anything on the inside.
Now it looks like it was used. It came back in because we don't use this bag, so it definitely came back in a different bag. But okay.
See, look at that. You see that?
Yeah, so that definitely. I don't know if you can see.
There's a
So
little
let's
water.
see.
It looks like a water stain or a
So
sweat stain or something.
some kind of sweat stain. I don't know. Do you want to? Doesn't smell, but some kind of stain on it. Okay, so what do we do? What is the next process?
So since there's something wrong with it, you want to keep everything together. So we just keep all the packaging together and then kind of put it off to the side in its own pile. And
come back over here. Okay, so then that.
so we can put it over here off to the side, and then that's basically what we do for that.
So that one's bad.
Yeah.
Okay,
that's
do we want to
bad.
open up another one? Let's see.
Yeah.
Here, how about if I open up one and maybe you open up. You open up the box and then I'll. Okay, so we do it again from the.
Yeah. You just don't want to rip the label.
Okay. It's kind of like, Christmas. Opening up, what do we get? Okay, so this. Okay, so this one.
That one looks pretty good.
So how do we, okay, so this is a Kool-Aid costume.
Doesn't even look like it's been opened, so that's a good sign.
So
right
all this stuff.
there. So if it's a good item, looks like they didn't even open it, to be honest. I mean, like,
It looks
yeah.
pretty, yeah, I don't think that was,
Yeah, so for good items, we don't need the box. All we need is preferably, I don't know if they printed out everything here. They didn't, do they have oh, this is what we need. The order, little order form right here. I don't know.
so we need that, okay.
That's the preferable thing, and then if not, then we have this right here, and it has the order ID, but this shows us
Got it.
everything that we need to know.
Okay, so this one's good, but then what, so,
Yeah, so this can go back into stock,
okay. so
and then
we'll
all
put
we
this-
need is this paper. Normally I like to put a little check on it, just to,
So I'll put that over there. We don't need this box anymore.
and we don't need these papers.
Okay. So that's good. So
Yeah.
maybe the kid decided not to want to be Kool-Aid. Okay.
Yeah. they
How
ordered
is that one? Now that one looks like it's.
it.
And do
Looks like-
people on the paperwork? Is there an explanation or anything why they're returning it?
Sometimes when we go in on Amazon, you put in the order number, it says their reasoning, but normally it has nothing to do with their real reasoning because
Okay.
it only gives them a few options, so.
So they need some kind of thing in Amazon or whatever. It's like, it just didn't fit. Didn't do
Yeah,
whatever.
or it didn't come in time or something.
So these are clogs.
Yeah, garden clogs. Looks like they didn't really even use them. They ordered this on the 14th, so they probably were thinking about doing the garden clog with their girlfriend or whatever.
Okay, so
And then they decided to do something else. So these look pretty much brand new.
Okay, so that goes that. I wonder what's in this one. Oh, I did.
Yeah.
Sorry, I have to learn, you know, because like, if you don't do it, and then once you start figuring it out, you want to save that, save that front label. Let's see. Oh, so this is interesting. This is like in a bag, This was the original bag, so
Yeah.
let's look, what's that one?
Looks pretty good as well. We got the costumes right here. It doesn't even look like they opened them.
Okay.
No, they're...
So that one...
Yeah,
so
they
this,
didn't... For this, we can't even see when they ordered it or anything, so...
Okay,
But it was probably another
okay.
Halloween idea, and then they scrapped it and went with something else.
See. Okay, so then you open up that one.
Alright.
I'll open up this one. Oh, you have, it's a hot day, you know, like, Halloween might be 80 degrees.
Yeah, we'll see. See, what is this?
That's
Oh,
a corkscrew.
Corkscrew and wine bottle. They put it in the same bag.
That could be a little fishy there, Michael.
Oh, it's just
stuck together.
Stuck together. They look pretty good to me.
They smell fresh.
Oh yeah?
Like, they smell good, like...
You want to take a whiff on this one?
I'll yeah, hold on. No, it smells not warm. Should we just take a...
Yeah,
Let's just take one.
It doesn't hurt.
This looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then what we like to do is fold it back up in a neat, orderly fashion.
Now, I don't know how to do that.
Yeah,
So what, like, we can give that to somebody that, because, like, I prefer, that's not going to be good, because if we send that out looking like this,
put it in
we're
our
gonna get in
folding
trouble.
pile.
Yeah, we'll do that. Here we have a Dunkin' coffee to go and donut. So it's two of the costumes in one bag. They put this stuff in. Should we open this one, or what do you think?
Yeah, I would take it out. It looks a little messy in there. Coffee.
Now, I know for excitement factor, we want to see one that's like really dirty, but what's very nice is that when people return stuff non-abusing the policy, then it's good. It's like normal, you know, like going into a store, buying something, and just needing to return it. So that's interesting. So that's good. Again, I am not very good at folding this up, so we'll
just put it away for now.
And so take care of this one, and then I'll open up this box. Yeah, the weather, they say it's going to be the hottest October Halloween in years, 80 to 85 degrees. Doesn't really sound that much. 80 degrees in New Jersey. Let's see. Oh, this again looks like, so this looks like another Dunkin' coffee that totally does not look like it's been opened. But let's just double check it. Yep, these are perfect.
Yeah, that looks good to me.
That's good. So then the stuff that if it's not,
Well, you gotta remember, we want to keep that over there, that little order form.
Oh.
We got. Even if it's good, you want to keep the.
wait, this
the
you need
sheet.
to keep.
Yeah.
Okay. See, so I'm learning. It's. Now, what do you think in this one? Do you think this one was worn, dirty, used? Maybe just people are, being more respectful. So this is an Amazon return. This is a poop and toilet paper.
Oh,
A poop and toilet paper in this little bag.
it's one of my favorites.
I don't know.
Oh no, they really crumpled it in there.
Oh.
We gotta watch out for the toilet paper because it's an all white costume. So
Okay, I'll let you. There is a hair.
There's some hairs on it.
Okay.
Not too bad though so far.
looks a little, let's see about the head hole is fine. It's not stretched out.
This one looks good to me.
There's a little bit of like potential. Maybe it's like from they tried it on and they didn't like it, so it was a natural
Yeah.
fallout on hair and stuff. You know, it's not like we're returning underwear or something like that. Which I think you can even do that. You can return anything. So luckily, that was today's edition of what they ordered and what they returned.
Oh yeah.
Pretty good. So maybe just one costume had a little bit of that stain. We can check into that. But otherwise, we're good for today.
So pretty good ratio.
Pretty good. Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
Thank you very much, and hopefully we'll see you maybe tomorrow.
Yeah, thanks for having me,
Okay.
Robert Berman, the CEO of Rasta Imposta.
Well, yes, but you know, everyone's important.
Yeah.
And, you know, Michael's in school, and you're good. Okay. You know, we'll fill everyone in more on all the staff here at Rasta Imposta. So
Oh yeah,
see
we'll
ya.
have some special visitors coming soon.
See you soon.